chicken chowmein with you all. It can be very easily made at home, and let's go and see add the ingredients together and look at the recipe. Let's go. Assalamualaikum guys, so today we'll be making chowmein, chicken chowmein. So I thought why not to share this recipe with you guys, that how I make it at home. So let's look at the ingredients first. We would need some boneless chicken. In that we'd add a bit of salt, garlic powder, white vinegar, soy sauce, some chili sauce, and this is Chinese 5-spice powder. You can get it from good superstores, but I've made it at home. I'd write down the ingredients in the description box that how you can make it at home. So after that we need a few vegetables. Here I've used cabbage, carrots, onions, bell pepper or capsicum, whatever you call it. And for the noodles we'd be using Chinese egg noodles, and of course for the stir fry we'd be needing a bit of oil. We also use stir fry sauce in it that we'd make ourselves. In the next clip I'll show you the ingredients, that how you can make it at home and then use it in this ingredient, or sorry, in this recipe, or whichever stir fry recipe you want to make. So see you in the next. For the stir fry sauce we'd need like quarter cup of water, and in that I've added a tablespoon of cornflour or cornstarch. To that we'd add salt, chili flakes, garlic powder, white vinegar, soy sauce, chili garlic sauce or chili sauce, brown sugar, and again the Chinese 5-spice powder. We're going to mix everything together. And we'll keep it aside, and when we are making the noodles we're going to add it at that time. So we're just going to keep it aside. And one thing more, if you like to enhance the flavor, you can also add chicken cube. So I like to marinate the chicken first. If you like, you can do this step, otherwise you can skip it and just do it in the pot directly. So what I do, that I first add salt according to your taste, garlic powder, white vinegar, soy sauce, chili sauce. Okay, so this is Chinese 5-spice powder. So I was thinking that do let me know in the comment box below that if you'd like me to make this in front of you guys, so maybe next time I can make a video to show you that how I make it at home. So we'd need this. And we'll mix everything together and we'll let it rest for a while, and meanwhile we're doing the next step. So that's how it's done. Now we're going to cook the chicken and vegetables. So first we're going to heat the oil in the wok. Preferably use a wok for easy cooking. Now we're going to add all the marinated chicken into the oil. Let it cook for a bit till it's done. Now our chicken is fully cooked. We are going to keep the flame high. That's how the stir fry Chinese cooking is done, in a wok on high flame. So now we're going to add all of our vegetables, one after the other. We're going to add the carrots first, and the bell pepper or capsicums. You can use other vegetables as well if you like. You can add broccoli, you can add baby corns, and you can as well add cauliflower in it as well. I like to add it. It gives a very nice taste. Peas. But then I prefer not to add peas with the noodles because it gets a bit difficult to eat them, but that's fine. So I'm going to stir fry the vegetables with the chicken for a bit before I add the noodles, and then in the end I'll stir fry sauce. So I'll see you when I do that. So after the veggies and the chicken was cooked, I have added the pre-boiled egg noodles. I'm going to add the stir-fry sauce into it that we prepared earlier. Off camera, I forgot to mention, and I've added some sesame oil and sesame seeds to give it more flavor. I'm going to add this on top of everything. Going to give it a good mix until everything is mixed together well, and then we're going to do it like this. It's going to be a bit tricky. I'd suggest if you use tongs, which I'm going to do myself off camera, and then I'll show you the final look. So we'll see you with the final look. So this is the final look. We're going to garnish it with some sesame seeds. If you have the spring onions, just use the green stalk of that to garnish it. It's going to look more tempting. So I hope you guys will try this recipe, and do leave me a feedback when you do. I would love to see the pictures of your creations. Do tag me in them. I have posted my social media handles in the description below, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Hope to bring some even more nice recipes for you in future. So stay connected with me, and you know all the jazz that how to stay connected. So see you guys next time. Bye.